Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view blocked accounts in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your blocked accounts in your Threads app, first open up a Threads app on your phone as I have already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of Threads app. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-line icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on privacy and you can see, guys, just below the other privacy settings at the bottom of the screen, there is the blocked profiles option available for us. Tap on block profiles and then your Instagram app will open with which your Threads account is connected, and all of your accounts which you have blocked on Threads or on Instagram in the past will be over here. Since I have not blocked anyone, there is nobody available for me, but in your case, if you have blocked anyone in the past, they will be available over here. And that being said, guys, this is how to view blocked accounts in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.